Hey, so here's my weekly update on my aquaponics system. A whole bunch of stuff got planted last week that's been in there for a bit now. So I'm gonna test the water and all tomorrow. Hopefully the nitrates will have come down. Okay, so the sponge gourd, its vine that was up here on the front is really starting to die out. Yeah, a lot of the leaves have gone down over there. And the other end of the vine, it's pretty trimmed now. See, those leaves had started to die as well, so I've been pulling them out. The other part of the vine is all right. Yeah, it's all along this bit over here. It was flowering just a day or so ago, got 3, 4 flowers in it as well. Now it's gone out. But the top of it over here, the new developed, this little bit is, just came up about a couple of weeks ago. It's developed a couple of these really big nice flower buds, fruit buds these are, I think, because these are the sort of buds that the fruit comes out of, and they're looking quite positive. But yeah, this one looks like it's just about to open in a day or so. So let's see what becomes of them, because if these don't come out, then I'm just going to pull this plant because it's not going anywhere. The mint is still going a little more purple now, though the edge is all the way out here, and these leaves seem to have put on some moss, so it seemed to have gotten a little bit bigger, but yeah, it's going a bit purple, and that's happening to some more leaves here and then. I'll show them as the update goes through, but yeah, that's the mint. The corn, as tall as before. I think it may need a little more support, because this piece of corn has just been like this, I think, for a long time now, and it's starting to brown out before it's only filled out till there. The rest of it is just the silk of it. So I don't know what's happening to that corn over there, and the one next to it seems to be developing. But again, I hope this one also came out the same way. Let's see what happens to it. The third corn is just dying down there. Yeah, it's put out. It's starting to make out what's the beginnings of a bit of a fruit, an ear of corn here, but it hasn't put up its flowers yet, so no telling what's going on there. Here's the basil. It's been flowering for, I think, a couple of weeks now, and getting larger. But you see some of these leaves also starting to go purple, which is strange. There's a couple of them up and down that are there, and some of these leaves are starting to not make it. But otherwise, the plant seems fine. See now these little black dots on the leaf. Just come on, focus. Yeah, it doesn't seem to want to focus on it, but yeah, there's little black dots there, some of them. The sweet basil also coming along nicely now. It's gotten quite larger now. Yeah, and the old basil doing fine. The peas have really become happy and taller, and I'm just, every day I give them a bit of a brush in this direction. Hopefully gonna get them growing over here, over the edge, and use that vertical space. The oregano doing just fine as always, tall and strong. That little yeah, this cucumber plant hasn't really done anything. It's just standing there, not pulling it out. I don't know why. Just going to let it stay there as long as it's alive. The berry tree is really getting mulched up in the middle of the basil and the corn over here, but it's still continuing to grow nicely, happily. All the leaves are green, and it is getting taller slowly and steadily. The cucumbers quite happy, though heavily trimmed, because they had a bit of I removed every minor leaf I could find, and they're getting a number of these black spots on them, and I see a lot of fruit flies like that one just hanging around. I don't know if this is something bad happening to the plant or not, but it does seem to be growing just fine. There's a bee that's roaming around, who's just in the basil. So yeah, I'm sure I have pollinators here as well. Now, strange things happening to the lemon tree. Again, it's had these black dots for a while. Yeah, and some of the leaves are starting to yellow, like this one, and it was never yellow before. I don't know what's up with that. The rest of the plant looks fine, though it really hasn't grown much since it got in here. Okay, so that's in the tomatoes, the berries. The red cabbage down there has put up a couple of new leaves, and it seems quite happy now after its transplant. Yeah, so these are the old leaves, and this is distinctly the new leaf. So it's come up in the aquaponics system. It's looking quite happy, quite all right. Those two little mystery seedlings down there still alive, putting out another leaf, still a bit green. So I'm not pulling them out either. I wonder what they are. The tomatoes not doing so well, but I think this may be because they're just not getting enough sun. I'll tuck that leaf up behind there, maybe. give them a little more direct light. Yeah, okay, so yeah, leaf minor damage continuing to show on these leaves. So I think I'm just going to let it be now, and hope for the best. Hope that they get a little larger, or I'll have to pull them out. Some of the dirt tomatoes are getting quite large, so transplanting those may be good. The fish are doing just fine. They've been fed once a day, because I haven't had time to come up twice, really short days now, so they're quite hungry. I fed them for the second time right now, just a little bit ago, today. I think first time this week that I fed them twice, so they're quite hungry. I think they've been mating, and as per Chili Dude's advice, I do think I have a mop in here, the yeah, this, which is basically a floating raft with the mint in it. Yeah, I think this serves as a bit of a spawning mop if they need, but I haven't seen any eggs or anything of that nature there. Fish themselves are nice and fat, all of them are playful and quite hungry, aggressively beg. I'm going to give them touch more bit of food when I'm done with this video. So yeah, these fish are all happy. A fish tank picking up a small layer of grime. I think I cleaned it about a week and a half ago, and yeah, it's just a small layer of fine solids is falling to the bottom, and the rest is all getting taken up. So I'm pretty happy with how that is going. Though I'm getting these marks on the wall, I don't know what they're from. They actually feel like tiny scratches when I touch them, and the matter gathers there. I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, so that's how the fish are doing, and the sump tank with the cichlids. Now these are also, they know that when the water stops, so I'm going to feed them. They think they're going to get fed again, so that's why they're up and about. And you can see all 6 of them. They're all very lively, and they've gotten larger than when I got them. At least I'm sure of that. They've also been in there for a good while. The sump tank also neat and clean. And tiny bits of algae here and there. They're just always there, and I leave them alone. I get them when I scrub the tank. Yeah, so all of that's doing pretty much okay as well. These 6 little, I think I'll give them a bit more food as well when I'm done. So yeah, that's about the system. The dirt veggies are doing quite alright. These are the cukes that were transplanted out from the same age as my aquaponic cukes, and they also got a bit of seaweed extract spraying and a bit of the chili garlic spray. They also got really trimmed, but they're continuing to have some leaf minor damage. I've been hand picking bugs off, but I can't get all of them. You can see that it's still there. Ongoing fight. But it's got lots of flowers and loads of these fruits developing as well. I got a couple of these in my aquaponics as well, at least one of them, just one. I'll give you a quick look at that. Where are they? Okay, so none of them they've all yellowed and dropped. There's flowers there in the cucumber though, and here's what looks like a piece of fruit, and it's covered in the teeny tiny bugs, and they're all they're stuck in there, so I can't really get my hands on them. But I think I'll work on this a little bit more when I'm done with the video. This is the other corn. I picked 3 ears of corn from the other corn stalks. These are the smaller ones that are developing. Fruit there, fruit there. This one developing a double fruit right here. I'm pretty sure this is the one I'd been feeding aquaponics water to last. There's another one, and another one in that coming along. This one had an ear of corn that got picked. This one had an ear of corn that got picked from over here. This one is developing this year quite nicely. I think it will be done in just another couple of days. This one I'm going to try and pick it today actually, because it looks like it's browned out just fine. No, I think I'll give it a couple of more days. It still feels a little green and not full. See, it's still green and wet down here. You got to wait till it's all brown. Here's one that's already had. This one's already had one taken out of it. Yeah, because I've gotten like 3 out of them so far, and this one's also been harvested. This one's also not quite done and shaped quite strange. Okay. And okay, the red cabbages in the ground also coming along quite nicely. About the same pace as in the aquaponics, so that's the only veggie I think that's keeping the same pace. Here the peas They're also, whoa, that's a big one. It's got one larger plant than the rest of them. So those are all planted really close together. They're also doing alright. These tomatoes have gotten a lot bigger. These ones haven't so much, but this spot has really been going mad. Yeah, I'm going to hopefully get some really nice tomatoes out of this really soon. I should work on getting rid of some of these leaves, because otherwise the infestation will move to all of the leaves, and that will be bad. Some more tomatoes, more tomatoes, more tomatoes, more tomatoes. So loads of tomatoes coming along, and little red radishes as well. A whole load of these has come up since last week, and yeah, that's one large radish here. The rest of them that were grown along with this one got picked. So yeah, the garden's really coming along because the winter seems to be holding off here. I'm still spending time in t-shirts and turning on the AC a bit at night. So it's not quite that cold yet. Hopefully we'll get a bit more warmth, and I'll get to pick something out of my aquaponics. So thanks for watching, you guys.